Hello everyone, welcome back to Jest of Maths. Today we will discuss the divisibility rules for 15, 16 and 17. So let's start. Here is the divisibility rules for 15. If a number has the last digit 0 or 5 and the sum of the all digits is divisible by 3, so the original number must be divisible by 15. And in another way, if a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, so the original number must be divisible by 15. Okay? So let's check. Here in this number, that is 307590, has the last digit 0 and sum of all digit is 24, which is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 50. But in this case the last digit is 5 but the sum of the all digit is 19, which is not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible by 15. Okay? Now check the second divisibility rule, that is divisible by 3 and 5 both. Okay? So the 307590 is divisible by both 3 and 5 and also divisible by 15. But in case of 153145 is divisible by 5 but not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible by 15. Okay? Now come to divisibility rules for 16. If a number has an even number in its thousand place, then take the last 3 digits of the number. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 16, then the number must be divisible by 16. Okay. Second rule, if a number has an odd number in its thousand place, then add 8 with the last 3 digit. If the answer is divisible by 16, then the whole number is divisible by 16. In short, there is another rule. If the last 4 digit is divisible by 16, then the whole number divisible by 16 also. Okay? So let's check. Here in this number, it has an even number in its thousand place, which is 6. And the last 3 digit is 592, and this 592 is divisible by 16, so the last 4 digit, that is 6592, is divisible by 16 also. As the last 4 digit is divisible by 16, so the whole number is also divisible by 16. In this case, in this number, it has an odd number in its thousand place, which is 7, and the last 3 digit is 632, and we add 8 with last 3 digit and we get 640, which is divisible by 16. So as the last 4 digit, that is 7632, is divisible by 16, so the whole number is also divisible by 16. Okay? But in case of these two number, it has an even number in its thousand place, which is 6, and the last 3 digit is 493. This 493 is not divisible by 16, so this number is not divisible by 16. In this number, it has an odd number in its thousand place, which is 9. And the last 3 digit is 431, and we add 8 with this last 3 digit, that is 431, and we get 439. This 439 is also not divisible by 16, so this number is not divisible by 16 also. Okay? So here is the divisibility rules for 17. Take the last digit of the number, multiply with 5. Then the product is subtracted from the rest of the digit of the number. If the result is divisible by 17, then the original number must be divisible by 17. Okay? So let's check. Here in this number, that is 511734, has the last digit 4, which is multiplied by 5, and we get the product 20. This product is subtracted from the rest of the digit, that is 51173, and we get 51153. Now if this 51153 is divisible by 17, then the number must be divisible by 17. So to check this number divisible by 17 or not, we have to repeat this process until the small digit will come. Okay, so let's check. Here in this number, that is 51153, has the last digit 3, which is multiplied by 5, and we get 15. This 15 is subtracted from the rest of the digit, that is 5115, and we get 51 00. As the 5100 is divisible by 17, so the original number 511734 must be divisible by 17. Okay. But in this case, that is 683416 has the last digit 6, which is multiplied by 5, and we get 30. Now this 30 is subtracted from the rest of the digit, that is 68341, and we get 68311. So now we have to check either this 68311 divisible by 17 or not. So to check that, we have to repeat this process further until the small digit will come. Okay. So in this 68311 has the last digit 1, which is multiplied by 5, and this 5 is again subtracted from the rest of the digit, that is 6831, we get 6826, and this 6826 has the last digit 6, which is again multiplied by 5, and we get 30. This 30 is again subtracted from the rest of the digit, that is 682, and we get 652, and this 652 again the last digit 2, which is multiplied by 5, we get 10. This 10 is subtracted from 65, and we get 55, and now this 55 is not divisible by 17. So the original number, that is the 68346, is also not divisible by 17. Okay. So today up to this, guys. In the next video we will discuss the divisibility rules for the rest of the numbers, that is 18, 19 and 20. If you have any doubt or want to get this video in Bengali or Hindi version, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.